Welcome back to Tech Alok YT. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and machine learning, two revolutionary technologies that are reshaping the way we interact with the world. From powering smart assistants like Siri and Alexa to driving self-driving cars, AI and Milliliter are everywhere. So, let's jump right in and explore what makes them so incredible. Segment 1. What is artificial intelligence? Before we delve into the wonders of machine learning, let's first understand what artificial intelligence is all about. In simple terms, AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. This includes tasks such as speech recognition, problem solving, and even visual perception. Visuals showcase examples of AI applications, such as image recognition, virtual assistants, and game-playing AI. Segment 2. The power of machine learning. Now, let's talk about the powerhouse behind many AI applications: machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that empowers machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a computer to recognize patterns and make predictions on its own. Visuals display a simple flowchart of the machine learning process, showcasing data input, model training, and predictions. Machine learning algorithms are trained using vast amounts of data, and the more data they have, the better they become at their tasks. This has led to some incredible breakthroughs, such as voice assistants understanding natural language, personalized product recommendations, and even medical diagnosis. Segment 3. Real-world applications. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being applied across various industries, and their potential seems limitless. Let's take a look at some real-world applications that are transforming our lives. Visuals showcase real-world applications like autonomous vehicles, healthcare diagnostics, finance, and entertainment. Segment 4. Challenges and ethical considerations. While AI and Milliliter offer tremendous benefits, there are also challenges and ethical considerations we must address. One major concern is biased algorithms that could perpetuate societal inequalities. It's crucial to develop fair and transparent AI systems to avoid unintended consequences. Visuals highlight the importance of diverse and unbiased data in AI and discuss the need for ethical guidelines. Segment 5. The future of AI. As technology continues to evolve, the future of AI and Milliliter looks incredibly promising. Researchers are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, from building more human-like conversational AI to creating advanced medical diagnostics and personalized education platforms. Visuals show futuristic AI concepts like humanoid robots, AI-powered medical devices, and AI-driven virtual classrooms. Conclusion. Well, that's a wrap on our exploration of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies are shaping the world in ways we could have only dreamed of a few years ago. As they continue to advance, it's essential for us to embrace them responsibly and work towards a future where AI benefits all of humanity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.